So now that you've determined your battery bank size, you have to determine how you're actually going to install it. Are you going to do it in a DIY approach, or are you going to hire a professional? It's definitely not a decision to be taken lightly, because house batteries, as with all batteries aboard the boat, are no joke. They hold a ton of power. That energy can be released very quickly in high amperage current that makes a lot of heat. So if you do it wrong, there are serious consequences. So it's very, very important to install these batteries correctly with fine attention to detail, such as location and securing them with proper cables and fuses. So safety truly is paramount. You need to stay safe. And they really should be installed to ABYC standards. It's a great set of guidelines to help install batteries safely. So it's a little challenging to see how the components that we've talked about through these videos, how their install and interact with each other. Obviously they're here, they're just spread out through the boat. So when we head to the shop, we can see how all the components interact with each other in a nice, easy to view layout. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to the team at Battleborn Batteries. And in the meantime, I hope you consider supporting Warrior Sailing.